Management by objectives is a strategic approach where managers and employees work together to define specific goals and track progress toward them. Often called MBO, this framework shifts the focus from daily activities to actual outcomes and results. The primary goal is aligning individual employee efforts with the broader objectives of the entire organization. Success relies on clear communication, where everyone understands exactly what success looks like for their specific role. Unlike traditional top-down management, MBO encourages employees to participate in the goal-setting process, which can increase overall motivation. By spending more time on planning and regular reviews, teams often reduce wasted effort during the execution phase. This classic business adage highlights why tracking specific objectives is so critical for any growing organization. Understanding these frameworks helps you evaluate how companies operate. Check back for more finance basics, educational content, not financial advice.